Gentlemen, listen closely because what I'm about to share with you could be the simple yet powerful spark your body's been missing. After 50, your body begins whispering signals that it's time to pay attention: slower mornings, weaker energy, and a dip in that once unshakable confidence. But what if I told you that the solution doesn't lie in another pill promising miracles or an exhausting workout routine? What if the real key to waking up with power, vitality, and that undeniable spark again is as simple as taking one essential vitamin before bed? This isn't about vanity. It's about reclaiming your manhood, your energy, your drive, and yes, your morning wood. Because that early morning signal isn't just about intimacy, it's about circulation, testosterone, and overall male vitality. When you stop waking up with it, it's your body's way of saying, something's missing. Now, here's where science meets simplicity: vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin. It's not just about bones and immunity, it's deeply tied to testosterone production, blood flow, and cellular energy. Low levels of vitamin D have been directly linked to fatigue, lower libido, and poor erection quality. Think about it: your body regenerates while you sleep. And when you give it the nutrients it needs right before bed, it uses that quiet time to rebuild, restore, and recharge your manhood from the inside out. But here's the secret most men overlook: taking vitamin D before bed doesn't just raise your testosterone, it supports melatonin production, enhances deep sleep, and triggers your body's natural repair process. Better sleep means better hormone balance. Better hormone balance means stronger performance, faster recovery, and a rejuvenated sense of masculinity. You see, after 50, it's not about doing more. It's about doing better. Your body doesn't respond the same way it used to, and that's okay. But it still responds when you feed it right. This single bedtime ritual can unlock better circulation, a stronger heart, and that confident energy that turns every morning into a victory. So tonight, when you reach for your glass of water, make it a moment of purpose. Take that vitamin. Visualize your body healing, strengthening, reigniting. Because every great comeback starts with a single, intentional choice, and this might just be yours. Gentlemen, your body is far more powerful than you realize. It has carried you through decades of challenges, victories, and lessons. Every cell within you holds the memory of strength, stamina, and vitality. It doesn't disappear with age, it only goes dormant when neglected. Too many men cross the milestone of 50 believing that the decline in energy, performance, and confidence is simply the cost of getting older. But that's a lie sold by complacency. The truth is, your body is still capable of incredible transformation. It's just waiting for you to reignite the fire that once burned effortlessly. At this stage in life, your body no longer responds to chaos, it responds to consistency. You don't need to push harder, you need to nourish smarter. You need to give your system the essential fuel it's been missing. Vitamin D is that silent powerhouse, that missing ingredient that can awaken the potential hiding beneath the surface. You see, when you were younger, your body soaked in sunlight more easily, converting it into the life-sustaining hormone that regulates testosterone, blood flow, and even your mood. But with age, that conversion slows. Less sunlight, more time indoors, weaker absorption, it all adds up, and before you know it, your energy fades, your drive weakens, and that confident morning surge becomes rare. Taking vitamin D before bed isn't just about nutrition, it's about reprogramming your body's rhythm. It tells your system, it's time to restore. During the quiet hours of the night, your body is busy doing its most powerful work: repairing tissue, rebuilding cells, balancing hormones, and strengthening the cardiovascular system. When you supply it with the right nutrients at the right time, you're not just supplementing, you're igniting. That single capsule or drop of vitamin D becomes a signal that your body understands deeply, it's time to rebuild power. You might not see it overnight, but inside, a transformation begins. Testosterone starts to climb, circulation improves, your sleep deepens, and energy begins to return. You wake up with that familiar spark, the one that once defined your mornings, the one that reminded you that your body was alive, responsive, and unstoppable. That's not a memory of youth. It's a state your body can return to. It's about believing that your best days aren't behind you, they're waiting to be reclaimed. Every man over 50 deserves to feel the strength of his body working for him, not against him. When you take action to nourish your body, something powerful happens in your mind too. You start walking taller, thinking clearer, and approaching life with renewed purpose. Because energy is contagious. When your body feels strong, your spirit follows. And when your spirit is strong, you start moving differently in the world. Your posture changes, your mood lifts, your confidence radiates. It's not just physical, it's deeply emotional. You begin to trust your body again, to rely on it, to celebrate it instead of criticizing it. So when you take that vitamin before bed, do it with intention. Don't see it as a supplement, see it as a promise. A promise that you're choosing to rebuild what time has tried to dull. That you're taking back control of your body's rhythm. That you're not surrendering to age, but rewriting what it means to be a man over 50. Because when you fuel your body the right way, you awaken a version of yourself that's been waiting quietly, strong, energetic, and ready to rise again. Every night becomes an opportunity, every dose a declaration that you are not done growing, not done living, and not done feeling alive in every sense of the word. Sleep is the most powerful, natural healer. Your body has a time when everything slows down on the surface, but deep inside, your system is working like a finely tuned machine. While you rest, your heart, brain, and muscles synchronize to repair what the day has worn down. It's in those quiet hours that hormones are released, cells regenerate, and your strength begins to rebuild. For men over 50, this process becomes even more crucial. As the years pass, the body's ability to produce testosterone, repair muscle tissue, and regulate blood flow begins to decline, but only if you let it. The real secret lies in how you support your body before it drifts into sleep, and that's where taking the right nutrients, like vitamin D, makes a world of difference. When you take vitamin D before bed, you're not just swallowing a pill, you're giving your body the tools it needs to rebuild from the inside out. Think of it as feeding your strength while you rest. Vitamin D plays a vital role in hormone regulation, especially testosterone, which controls everything from muscle growth to mood stability to sexual health. During deep sleep, your body naturally increases testosterone production, but this process requires balance, nutrients, and proper rest. If your vitamin D levels are low, your hormone cycles become disrupted, your energy fades, and your recovery slows down. That's why replenishing this vitamin before sleep is like refilling your engine's oil before a long journey. It keeps everything running smoothly, efficiently, and powerfully. Deep sleep is also when the body's circulation improves. Blood carries oxygen and nutrients to every organ, muscle, and tissue, including those vital areas that define male performance and vitality. When blood flow is strong, energy moves freely through the body, and you wake up feeling more alive, alert, and capable. Taking vitamin D before bed enhances nitric oxide levels and supports endothelial function, both of which are essential for healthy circulation. It's a natural way to keep your blood vessels flexible and responsive, ensuring that the spark of energy and masculinity remains strong even as the years pass. But the benefits don't stop there. Vitamin D also plays a key role in supporting your immune system and reducing inflammation, which means your body spends less time fighting internal battles and more time recovering and rebuilding. As you sleep, this vitamin works silently to calm the stress hormones that drain your energy and to restore the systems that power your daily life. The result is deeper rest, more vivid dreams, and mornings that no longer feel like a struggle to get out of bed. You begin to feel a sense of lightness, the kind that comes from a body that's finally getting what it needs to perform at its best. Most men underestimate the connection between sleep, hormones, and health. They push through exhaustion, ignore fatigue, and believe that waking up tired is just part of getting older. But it's not. When you start giving your body the nutrients it needs before bed, you're not only improving the quality of your sleep, you're enhancing the quality of your life. Every night becomes a chance for renewal. Your body doesn't just rest, it rebuilds muscle fibers, strengthens the heart, restores the mind, and recharges your masculine energy. Picture this: as you drift off to sleep, your body enters a deep, restorative state. Your cells absorb the vitamin D you provided, converting it into the hormones and enzymes that support vitality. Your bloodstream circulates stronger, your energy reserves refill, and your system wakes up ready to perform. That morning surge of confidence and strength isn't just random, it's a reflection of the work your body has done while you slept. You've given it the tools, and it's responded by reigniting your inner power. Every night becomes a cycle of growth, every sunrise a new beginning, all fueled by the silent work your body performs while you rest.